Yo, what's up? It's Khalil, Dreamin Bucketz, Vice President, and it is currently 8:08 in the morning. I'm about to go up to the Brookside Court, go shoot around for a little bit, just get a little early morning. Shoot around, ball is life, Dreamin Bucketz, always. And so that's what I'm about to go do right now. Probably show y'all little highlights of me shooting around and stuff for today.
Just got up here. It's actually pretty wet outside, and I forgot it's been raining. So I wouldn't be surprised if the court's real, wet, It's not looking too good. I might not even be out here that long because, I just really don't like, dribbling the ball on the wet ground and it be getting all dirty and stuff. My hands get all black. So, I'll probably just shoot around like I said I was going to do. It's pretty wet out here. Like the grass, grass is usually wet in the morning, but it's like crazy. From right now, or from where I'm looking, it doesn't look that bad actually. When you just got that urge to just dribble and shoot. Yeah, the court's actually pretty wet. If y'all can tell, see little puddles on the ground. Yeah, it's not really that bad though actually. It's usually, I've been out here a few times when it's been wet and it's a lot worse. It's actually not that bad. It's not that great either. But I'll probably get some shots up. Go ahead and get these shots up, man. Show y'all something.